Hey everyone, are you having ClickUp sync issues? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common syncing problems in ClickUp and keep your tasks, updates, and data synchronized properly step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and check whether your workspace data is updating correctly. Next, refresh ClickUp and wait a few moments to see if the latest changes appear. Temporary connection issues can sometimes prevent updates from showing immediately. Now check your internet connection and make sure your device has a stable connection while using ClickUp. Next, update your ClickUp application or refresh your browser to make sure you are using the latest version. If you use the ClickUp desktop or mobile app, completely close the app and reopen it to restart the sync process. Clear your browser cache or app data if ClickUp continues showing outdated information. Next, check whether the issue affects a specific task, project, or integration. Sometimes sync problems are caused by a connected app or individual item. Review your ClickUp integrations, such as Google Drive, Slack, or other connected tools, and make sure they are properly authorized. If you are using ClickUp with a team, confirm that everyone has the correct permissions to view and update shared information. Finally, log out of ClickUp, sign back in, and test whether your workspace is syncing correctly, and that's how to fix ClickUp sync issues. By checking your connection, updating your apps, reviewing integrations, and refreshing your workspace, you can solve common sync problems and keep your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.